Did you know that in a small town in New Mexico, an invisible force has been driving people to madness for over 30 years? Welcome to Taos, where something sinister hides in the silence. Since the 1990s, a mysterious low-frequency hum has haunted this desert town. But here's the terrifying part. Only 2% of people can hear it. Those who do describe it as a diesel engine idling somewhere in the distance, a constant, maddening drone that never stops. The sound targets mostly older residents, those 55 and above. It grows stronger at night, following them indoors where there's no escape. The lucky ones only suffer headaches and sleepless nights. But for others, the relentless humming becomes unbearable. Some have taken their own lives. Others packed everything and fled town, leaving their homes behind forever. Universities studied it. Government agencies investigated. Scientists used the most advanced acoustic equipment money could buy. They found nothing, no source, no explanation. Today, 3 decades later, the Taos hum continues. Those cursed to hear it still suffer in silence, tormented by a sound that science cannot explain.